Hey guys, good morning. This is Joey at Truck Market down in Memphis. I've got a super rare 16 model Kenworth W900L Cat day cab to show you today. It's got a 3406E Cat, 46,000 rears, 440,000 miles. It's extended cab, great work truck. If you want pre-emission, you want power, you want the old school Cat, this is it. 550 horsepower, 10 speed, full lockers. I've gotten it hot, so I'm gonna do a full walk around, show you old pressure, blow by. Here's your, it's up to operating temp. Low side oil pressure, fantastic. You gotta love it on a Cat. Super responsive. Oil pressure jumps up there. Full gauges, nice clean interior, no tears in the seats, dash it and all torn up. So love the room in an extended cab as well. This is a Southern truck, no rust, clean underneath. Your body and paint's good on this one. Let me show you the blow by as well. Very little blow by. Got a really good look with it. Fuel stacks, cans, extended cab. Fenders are in good shape, grill surround. Like I said, your frame rails are in good shape. It's a Southern truck, so no rust anywhere. New rubber. Brakes are awesome. Only dings or anything that I see on it. It's got one small one right there. Barely see it. Guys, I appreciate you watching. If you got questions on this one or anything else, feel free to give me a shout, 901-896-4526. You can also email me to joey@truckmarket.com. Thanks for watching.